Right now, travel sentiment sits at an unusually low, -0.70. That's significantly below the historical baseline, signaling a notable dip in consumer confidence regarding travel. With momentum flat at +0.00, it seems like this sentiment is sticking around. What does our API provide? You'll receive detailed sentiment insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that dig deeper into the conversation around travel. Imagine using this data to adjust your marketing strategy. If you're running a travel agency, this could inform your promotional campaigns, or help you pivot your offerings to better match current traveler concerns. Get the full picture and harness the power of sentiment analysis by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.